Today I'm sharing the top 2 productive apps that actually pay you. If you want to manage your time and make money, keep watching. The first application is Photopea. Photopea is an online photo editor application. You do not need to install Photoshop software on your computer. You can open image files, you can edit image files, and you can export simply. For example, when you open Photopea, there is file and you can open any image you want. You can crop and also you can remove background like this. As you have seen, you can change the background color. You see, so you can do anything that you want. There is crop tools, perspective crop, slice tools, all elements that you know in Photoshop, the spot healing brush, patch tool, and everything that you want. This Photoshop application is an online and you can do a lot of things. You can make money on this. You can be productive because you do not need to install a software. You can quickly do what you want. The second application is Gemini. Gemini is the best AI software that you can do things. The first application which can help you to get money on your business and to be productive is Photopea. Photopea is like a Photoshop application like Adobe Photoshop, just it is online application, photopea.com online application, and you can do anything that you want. Anything that you do in Photoshop, you can also do it in Photopea. For instance, some photos to show you some exercise using Photopea. To use Photopea, you just only need an internet connection and you don't need to install Photoshop application, and you can directly open from Photopea. It is an online and integrated application that can have all tools that you are using in Adobe Photoshop. I have an exercise file. For example, this document, as you have seen, I will show you elementary and very simple examples to demonstrate this Photopea. For example, this document needs to rotate. You can simply to rotate, go to image. Here is a transform and rotate 90 degree. And also if you want to crop, go to here. There is a crop tool. You can also to crop like this. You see, when you crop, please make sure you are excluded the seal. Now I have just cropped a little bit here. You can do it by using clone tool. You can use this, press alt from the keyboard and using clone tool. Then you can save these files, file, export, PNG, JPG. Why I love Photopea online application is whenever I need to do a Photoshop in Photoshop application in any computer, it is not mandatory to install the software application. The second, the format is impressive. You can also export to video, to GIF, to SVG, to PDF in simple manner. You can also get this formats in Adobe Photoshop and other Photoshop application, but this is very simple to export this one to latest PDF and save it. You can find it in your download folder, or you can open from here from the notification panel. Actually, you can get it from download folder always. So this is a PDF version of the corrected photo. This one is okay. The second example, to remove a background, simply open the file that you want to remove the background. This document have a black background. I will show you in the photo. Let's say open Word application, paste it the photo. You see there is a black background in the photo. I have imported the photo. Come to here and select magic wand and click the black area outside the photo and press delete key from your keyboard. Delete, or you can remove unnecessary background like this, one touch, and then export to PNG format. PNG is a transparent format, and click save. This finally will save for you. Now you can find it from a download folder and copy it. I'll show you in the Microsoft Word. Delete this one. Now paste. You see, no any background, and it is very impressive result. This is simple and elementary exercise that you can make money by using Photopea application. In my computer shop, I have earned around from 1000 to 2000 birr by doing document editing. When I say document editing, it is legal document editing, not forging. You can use for your day-to-day activity, for your shop, to earn money, to be productive, this Photopea application. And the second application is Gemini. Gemini is the best AI. Why I love Gemini is the accuracy. The accuracy of Gemini is very good. It has a lot of options. You can also do it with language. It can work with different language. For example, in Ethiopia, in Amharic, in Oromo, it works. Even for globally, it works. Now for Gemini, I have some exercise files here. The first exercise I will show you in the Gemini is I want to create 3x4 photograph ID photo. How can I do it? Follow me. Come to here and open gemini.google.com. Gemini.google.com. You need to link your Google account. When you create an image related things, you should have to select from the tools here, create image. When you are doing only prompts that not included image generation, you can cancel this one. If you are doing with image generation, you can go to tools and create image. I should have to import the image that I want to create, ID photo, desktop, exercise files. Here is the photos that I want to create, an ID photo. Okay, act as Photoshop professional and make 3x4 ID photo by using the person who hold the mic. Because there are two persons in the photo, I need only this person who holds the mic and format the background to be white and give me this 8 pieces in one paper. Act as Photoshop professional and make a 3x4 ID photo by using person who holds the mic and format the background to be white and give me these 8 pieces in one paper. Run. As you have seen, I didn't make anything that retouch and so on. I give a normal prompt. As you have seen here, it is the best. The mic and the hand that indicating to some here is not necessary. I should have to use some words, some prompts to eliminate that. First, I encourage the output. An excellent output, but I need to eliminate the mic and the person gesture. The person hands should be normal in natural Photoshop standing style. An excellent output, but I need to eliminate the mic and the person gesture. The person hand should be normal in natural Photoshop standing style. Yes, very good. This is what I need to use for ID photo. You can cut this photo by using the Photopea application. Here is the Photopea. You can use it to cut, or you can download and give for Photoshop printing service that they can arrange and they can print for you. This is how the Gemini is useful for your business, to improve your business. I earned from 500 to 1000 in my computer shop. You can also earn more money. The second example, you see this thumbnail. I need to change the person from another to this thumbnail using Gemini. I will show you. First, I want to upload the photo that needs to change. The first photo is this one, thumbnail, and this ID photo. I want to download this ID photo. It is downloaded, you see. It has been downloaded. This one is the photo I have downloaded from the Gemini. Now I want to create by using Photopea application. I want to crop one. I can use also to select using the rectangle tool. I have selected this one and make a copy. Go to Gemini, paste it here. Now the first photo is the person in the thumbnail that indicating to the Excel topic. Now the second person is this ID photo. What I want to do is act as Photoshop professional and change the person in the first photo that is thumbnail from the second photo ID photo. The Gemini will understand, you see, which will be the ID photo and the thumbnail. The Gemini will evaluate and understand it and run this one. Act as Photoshop professional and change the person in the thumbnail or from the second photo ID photo. It is very good, but you can also format it for YouTube thumbnail. Format it 1280 by 720 pixel for YouTube thumbnail. Format it by this pixel for YouTube thumbnail. It will format for you for YouTube thumbnail. This is just for vertical. The YouTube should be horizontal. This is good for YouTube short and for TikTok, but for YouTube it should be 1280 by 720. You see, this is for YouTube and it's very good. You can also download this one. As you have seen, the person itself is not changed, it's not edited, it's not retouched, it is direct. The result is very impressive. It has been downloaded. You can open it from download folder. You see, very high quality. Thank you for watching this video. I think you learn a lot from this video. Please don't forget to like and support this channel. Subscribe and share for your friends, families, and to other social media platforms. Let me know in the comment section which app you like best. Subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next video.